Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching PowerShell with elevated rights so you can read all folders. Once done, run getChild item on the root drives and include both XLS and XLSX patterns that finds both legacy and modern files. Use recurse and file to avoid folders and add force to include hidden items. Then pipe to export CSV so you save a shareable, sortable list. This first step ensures you capture every Excel file the OS can see. Next, refine the command so it runs reliably across messy file systems. Add error actions silently continue to skip permission errors. That keeps the scan running. Use exclude ~**, TMP, or filter for tighter patterns when you want fewer false positives. If you have network shares or external drives, run separate commands pointing to those routes. UNC paths and mounted volumes behave the same way when addressed explicitly. These middle steps reduce noise and make results Finally, open the exported CSV to verify each path and look for duplicates or unexpected locations. Sorting by modified date quickly shows recent files. To keep the list current, schedule the PowerShell script in Task Scheduler or as a recurring job. If you still can't find expected files, run the scan as the system account or check Windows search indexing and service status, since permissions or indexing can hide results. That troubleshooting step solves most missing file problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.